Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by enabling the Android hotspot and securing it. This is the action that makes the phone act like a router. First, open Network and Internet and tap Hotspot and Tethering, then toggle on Wi-Fi hotspot. Once done, immediately set a recognizable SSID and a WPA2 or WPA3 password so the iPhone can authenticate. Make sure to pick 4 GHz if compatibility matters. Choose 5 GHz only if both phones support it for better throughput. Now move to the iPhone and open Settings, then Wi-Fi. Wait a few seconds for the Android SSID to appear. Tap the network name, type the hotspot password exactly as set on Android. Passwords are case sensitive, then tap Join. Once connected, set Auto Join so the phone reconnects automatically. Also confirm any VPN, proxy, or private address settings aren't blocking the link. Disable them briefly if the connection fails. This sequence ensures authentication and avoids common handshake issues. Finish by testing internet access. Open Safari and load a web page to confirm data is shared. If pages don't load, first toggle the Android hotspot off and back on, then forget the network on the iPhone and reconnect to force a fresh handshake. If problems persist, switch the hotspot band from 5 GHz to 4 GHz, reboot both devices, or reset network settings on the iPhone as a last resort. One key tip: confirm mobile data on the Android is active and not limited by carrier or data saver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.